morning. Welcome to Traders Only. It's a quietly positive session for the market, but many individual stocks are buzzing in trade. So let's get talking about that. Tube Investments and Shanti Gears are both up in trade, as we understand that the Chennai-based Murugappa Group will now buy out the entire 44% stake from the Shanti Gears promoters. L. Ramkumar, the Managing Director of Tube Investments, joins us now on the line from Chennai to talk about that. Mr. Ramkumar, thanks for joining us. First, if you can confirm this news for us, that indeed you are buying 44% in Shanti Gears?
Yeah, I can confirm this. We had a board meeting this morning where this transaction was approved. We'll be acquiring 44.12% that is held by the promoters of this company.
How much, at what price has this acquisition been done? And
It's at a price of 81 and it will be an outlay of 292 crores.
Okay. Further than this, will there be an open offer?
Yeah, I think we have to make, as you know, as per the regulations, which we will be doing.
Okay, so what will the quantum of that be?
See, we will have to make an offer up to an extent of 26%. If all of the people put in up to 26%, our total outlay, including what we buy from promoters, will be 464 crores.
Okay, so how are you going to fund this particular buy? Are you, how much cash do you own in your books? Will you be looking to raise any debt?
We have a fairly healthy debt-equity ratio. We are at this point of time looking at all options of funding this, and we'll be able to finalize this soon.
Okay, so just to tell me how much cash is lying in the books of Tube Investments currently, and what is the debt currently at?
See, Tube Investments has got a long-term debt-equity ratio of 1:0.5.
Okay.
And so to that extent, you know, there is no surplus cash excepting what we have for short-term kind of usage. And we have definitely a leveraging position if you want to take some loans.
Okay. What are the synergies that you will be gaining from this particular acquisition, if you can just highlight for us?
Couple of things actually. We, as you know, are in the industrial chain business, which is in power transmission. And gearbox also is part of the power transmission, industrial power transmission. We've been wanting to go up the value chain from the current crop of chains into more specialized chains and related systems. One of the things we did was acquisition of a company in France called Cedis, which is in the industrial gears and sprockets. So Shanti Gears will be a little higher in terms of the gearbox and the gears itself. Second important thing is, as you know, apart from bicycles, the bulk of our balance business is dependent on auto sector. We've also been wanting to de-risk and have an exposure to other sectors which are also growing in this country. So these will be the two objectives, and that's the way I think it will help the company in terms of the growth and future prospects.
Okay. Will the existing management continue, or will there be a new management put in place now?
I think after the transaction is over, we'll definitely look at restructuring and bringing in new managers from the Murugappa Group.
So what would this restructuring be? How will it add to the current business of the Murugappa Group?
We are thinking, we are discussing with them. We are having a healthy relationship with the promoters, so we need to work it out jointly.
All right, Mr. Ramkumar, thanks so much for giving us all those details. So that's Tube Investments confirming that they will buy 44% stake in Shanti Gears. They will make an open offer at the price of 81 rupees, and as you can see, it will be funded through internal accruals. They bought the stake at about 81 rupees per share, they said. They will look at restructuring of Shanti Gears as well post this entire acquisition. Both those stocks are up in trade at this point in time. But here are all the other stocks that are buzzing.